Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete KYC in FTMO. First, go to ftmo.com and click on Client Area at the top of the website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the Profile section or the Verification section. Click on Start Verification to begin the KYC process. FTMO may request verification after you pass the challenge phase, before signing in the FTMO agreement, or before you first pay out. Next, you will need to upload a government-issued ID. You must provide one of the following documents: a passport, which is recommended, a national ID card, or a driver's license. Make sure the photo is clear with no glare or blur. All four corners of the document must be visible and the ID must be valid and not expired. Upload the front side of the document and, if required, also upload the back side. After uploading your ID, you will be asked to complete a face verification step. These may include taking a live selfie, recording a short face movement video, or holding your ID next to your face. Make sure you are in good lighting conditions. Do not wear a hat or sunglasses and ensure your face is clearly visible. In some cases, FTMO also required proof of address. Accepted documents include a utility bill, a bank statement, or an official government letter. The document must be issued within the last 3 months. Your name must match your FTMO account, and your full address must be clearly visible. After you submit all required documents, the review process usually takes a few hours up to 1 to 2 business days. You will receive a confirmation email once your verification is approved, and your account status will change to verified. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.